tulina pulezidenti Museveni ssente ziyalirizinga tetunazifuna ate nga yalirizinga ssente z'ababodaboda batuverifayinga batugamba netubikola netugamba nti nawuzingi netugendayo netuva mu banka zetwali netuteeka eri gye batugamba nebatukakasa nti bajja kukola ki kulirizinga ssente nga fena tetufunye naye ate balirizinga ssente kyekugambye nti wayita wiiki bbiri nga ssente zaffe tebazitaddeeyo ku akawunti tugenda kukunga bannaffe Saccos 50 abantu 10 kwasake nina abantu abatunda 8 tayimuzi 50 tugenda kubakunga ate piki tugenda kusindika nsindike paka nakasero bwe kinanga tugenda basalira kukunga mpasi bampita kirya faizo mwina era lemoyi Museveni chu tugenda kukikola
tugenda kwekalakasa mpaka ku state house twe bagenyi bamse abajja okubanga tetuli basanyufu kuye.
For Winners Boda Bukesa Cooperative Society. We are a team of people that come from different occupations, but most especially Boda riders that came together and formed a team over 4 years ago. We are NRM mobilizers and we also affiliated to PLU. We have done our job on the ground at the grassroots level. We have brought people in, we have made people believe in the NRM again. We have tried as much as possible to ensure that there is security on the ground, working together with security organs at large. We have done everything possible within our capacity to ensure that there is peace and people still believe and have goodwill for the NRM government. However, we have a concern. The people that we are leading believe that there is His Excellency has given money to different organizations, institutions, and Saccos, amongst which Winners Boda Bukesa Cooperative Society attributes to. However, for a long time we have waited for this money to come through. Everything that is required, every requirement has been given, whether it's a bank account, whatever it is that has been required of us has been brought forward and it has been given to the relevant authorities. We have even been certified in Kololo, but now our concern is, why is it that other Boda Saccos have been able to get money? And we were told that there is a caveat that has been put over those Boda Saccos until every single Sacco has been given money, then the money will be released. Unfortunately, as of now, those Saccos that money has been released to them. However, we have not yet received ours. That is our biggest concern. We would like to know what is going on. We implore His Excellency to come through on this matter. Thank you.